Most brands design their websites to be pretty, which is great as long as they're also functional, scalable, and easy to navigate. Unfortunately, most websites are not, and mine was one of them. So I tore it apart, I rebuilt it from scratch, and today I am showing you exactly what I changed on my website and why I did it. So if you're thinking about launching or refreshing your website or a client's website, you will definitely want to pay attention to this. And of course, everyone loves a good before and after moment, so let's take a look at my previous website. Now, to be clear, this website was stunning. The design was gorgeous, the colors were fun, the messaging was great, and the branding was so me. It was perfect, and I loved it. This website was home to the Copy Posse for 5 whole years, and in those 5 years, I didn't change a damn thing, which is awesome. But it was also the problem. While my website was really pretty, it was so freaking hard to update. The Copy Posse as a brand has majorly evolved over the last 5 years. My offers have expanded, my community has grown to hundreds of thousands, my messaging and brand have matured, and my website wasn't showcasing that evolution at all. Now, don't get me wrong, I did try to update my old website with new offers and I made tweaks to the messaging here and there, but it still felt like a big Frankenstein-y mashup of new versus old. It was clunky and it was static, and I realized I hadn't built a website that could scale with my growth and the growth of my brand and business. In fact, now looking back 5 years later, it was really clear I never expected the Copy Posse to become what it is today. So, champagne problems, I guess, and I am definitely not complaining, but suffice to say, a website overhaul was badly needed, one that could carry me through my next evolution and beyond. So, do you want to see it? All right, here is my brand new Copy Posse website. Now, not only did I hire my original rad brand designer to come up with an entirely new look and feel for the Copy Posse, including an elevated color palette, fonts, and graphics. Don't worry, the tigers and lightning bolts are not going anywhere. But my team and I worked behind the scenes for a whole year to design an entirely new Copy Posse experience. And I have to tell you, I am absolutely freaking obsessed with my new website. Yes, of course, it is stunning, but we have also optimized every single section of the website to make it more scalable, easier to navigate, and of course, more effective at generating new leads and sales. And to do that, we focused on 5 major things, and I'm breaking them down for you right now. The first was identity-driven messaging. So most headlines and website copy in general is very outcome-focused. It is very outcome-based. Here's what you will achieve, unlock, or get when you buy this thing or work with this person. And that's the way my old website was too. And I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Of course, you want to make sure that you're communicating the main benefit or outcome that you deliver front and center right there on your website. That's marketing 101. That will always be key. But as marketing continues to shift, I believe more and more that it is not just about communicating what you offer, but who you are and who you serve. And I am not just talking about speaking to your customer avatar. I'm talking about finding your people, the customers who share your values and are willing to put their money where their heart is. We have entered an era where the messenger is more important than the message itself. And a lot of different businesses out there, a lot of different brands and people offer exactly what you offer, but no one does it in the exact same way that you do to the exact same people. So for our new website, we really wanted to focus on speaking to the identity of our customers first, and then of course, outcomes second. Like my good friend and author of identity marketing, Veronica Romney says, brands that sell identities elevate identities. I'm talking about who they believe they are and who they want to be. They are more likely to want to buy from you because then that becomes an affirmation of who they see themselves to be and who they wish to become. It's like they're reaffirming their sense of identity. So everywhere on our new website, you will see that identity-based messaging in action. We are really showing people what it means to be part of the posse. Now, let's take a look at the next thing that we changed on the new website. And this was a big one. Clear navigation, and dynamic content. So if you've been part of the Posse for a while, then you know I have created a lot of different trainings, challenges, and mini courses. I have a live 8-week coaching program, a monthly membership, and a private virtual mastermind. I have online programs to help my customers with everything from copywriting to email marketing to brand messaging. I have dozens of free lead magnets. I have hundreds of blog posts and videos like this. I have countless social media posts. And as our content and offers expanded, our website became really clunky and challenging to navigate. It was like this hodgepodge of random pages and pop-ups and banners that made it really hard for the Posse to find the things they were looking for, or even know which program or free resource was the right one for them based on where they were at on their journey. Yeah. Not a good look. So the most significant and I think the most valuable change that we made on our new site was revamping our primary navigation. First, we added a hire page to make it really easy for anyone looking to hire a Posse trained copywriter, marketer, or content strategist to post to our job board, which by the way is accessible to members of my Spark membership. Next, we massively revamped our programs page too. So rather than stack all of our programs into just like one giant pile with no rhyme or reason or flow, we grouped our short courses into different skill sets that you might like to learn, like sales messaging, email marketing, and branding. Then we outlined my higher level programs and memberships into a really simple 3-step journey where you can easily join the waitlist to be notified the next time doors open. And of course, we've also revamped our blog to make it really easy for people to search by category or subject matter. And yes, it is dynamically and automatically updated in real time as we post fresh content every single week. And then lastly, and this one's my favorite, we added a brand new freebies page where you can now go to find all of our current free resources. This is something that we never even had on the old website, which made it literally impossible for anyone to go see all of the free offers we had without us directly promoting the links on ads or social media. So I can almost guarantee we will get way more leads by having this page front and center. Speaking of new leads, that brings me to the next thing we optimized on the new website. We added easier and more opt-in CTAs. So not only did my old website not have a page where my free lead magnets were listed and easily accessible for people to grab, it also only had one opt-in CTA on the entire site, which was a featured lead magnet right there on my homepage that literally hadn't changed in 5 freaking years. I mean, there wasn't even a way for anyone to just sign up directly to my email list. They would have had to sign up for that one lead magnet, which maybe they already had. That was right there on my homepage, and that was it. So on the new website, we actually changed this and we added an opt-in CTA to basically every single page. On our homepage, we now feature 3 of our most popular lead magnets. And of course, we give them the option then to go to the freebies page and see all the free resources that we have for them. And we also added an email list opt-in in our website footer, which appears across all pages. And honestly, to me, this is the biggest and lowest hanging fruit that any brand or business could easily implement to improve their website conversion rates, especially if you send great emails like I do. We even included a couple of little testimonials right there next to the email opt-in form from people who have written to us telling us they love our emails. But my absolute favorite thing we did, not only to increase opt-ins on our website, but to solve that which program is right for me problem that I was telling you about earlier, we personalized every user journey. So we actually created a brand new quiz to help my audience identify where they are on their journey and then give them personalized resources. In just 30 seconds and a few simple questions, you can receive an entire collection of Posse resources that are perfect for you exactly where you are in your journey. Whether you are literally just starting to think about starting a side hustle, whether you want to learn foundational copywriting and marketing skills and go out there and start finding clients, or whether you're looking to build your business and authority, this quiz identifies the best videos, freebies, programs, and memberships for you. Now, this is huge because not only is it helping us get more leads, it is also making the decision process as easy as possible for you and the rest of our customers. We are taking the guesswork out of that equation and making it really simple for you to take that first step with us. And as any marketer will tell you, once you get that first yes, it is so much easier to get the second second and the third and the fourth. Speaking of getting more yeses, you know what really helps with that? Real-time social proof. Of course, you already know that social proof is one of the best ways to build trust and drive sales. And while my old website did have a lot of social proof on it, the testimonials were literally never updated. In fact, the same testimonials we launched our site with in 2020 were the exact same testimonials we had up there 2 weeks ago. And oh my God, when I say that out loud, it makes me cringe, which means we literally had hundreds of testimonials that have never even seen the light of day. We just didn't have a dynamic social proof page that allowed us to quickly and easily add new testimonials as soon as they came in, so we just didn't. And that all changed with our new website. We now have an awesome Posse Love page that allows people to toggle through testimonials for all of our different programs, all updated in real time as they come in. We also added this really awesome dynamic section to our homepage that showcases social proof by highlighting some of our authority metrics, like the number of customers we've served, how many subscribers I have on YouTube, the number of views we've collected, our customer happiness score, and more. And that is it, my brand new website and the 5 things we did to improve the user experience, increase opt-ins, and of course sales. Yes, she's pretty, but she's also super smart. Comment below and let me know what you think about the new website. Of course, I will drop a link to that in the description box below if you want to play around and check it out. And of course, don't forget to take that new quiz to get your personalized collection of Posse resources. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel below for more show, don't tell strategies like this one. And if you enjoy these kind of videos where I really share behind the scenes marketing lessons and what we're changing and why, make sure to check out the next video from me right here. I will see you next week with a brand new video. Until then, I'm Alex. Ciao for now.
All right, guys, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to check out the next one from me right here. And you can click right here to get a free gift.
My team and I have been split testing a brand new landing page format for the past couple of months, and let me tell you, the results shocked me. I tested 2 pages with the exact same headline, the exact same benefit bullets, the exact same copy, the exact same call to action, and pretty much the exact same images. The only significant difference was the length and the layout of the page. One was short and one was long. Can you guess which one boosted my opt-in conversion rate by 33.64%? Yeah, my jaw was on the floor too.